How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, tap on the horizontal lines at the top right corner. This will lead you to settings and privacy over here. Now, there's no direct way or an easy way to watch all the or see recently watched reels on Instagram. Rather, what you can simply do is tap on your activity option on settings. Here you can see all the interactions that you have in Instagram, like liked any reels, post, or anything like that, and anything that you have commented on, that you have been tagged on, or so on. So if you want to see recently watched reels, you can just tap on the likes and you can see all the liked reels that you have recently done on Instagram. So this is the only possible way to see recently watched reels on Instagram if you have liked them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.